Hello people, so we are at the SLN Terminus Mall, and where is the statue? Show me. Yeah, we've come here to this. It's a rather unique and almost deserted mall, but it's quite. We'll be going to Dunkin' Donuts. Ayush, how do you like SLN Terminus Mall?
Because it's deserted.
Yeah, we seem like the only people here, but really, take a look at it. Yeah. And this is in Gachibowli, SLN Terminus Mall. Take a look at it. And we'll be going to Dunkin' Donuts because that's the place my son likes. So once we're here, hyper local, and then we will.
There's nothing going on here.
Yeah, so we could go back. Yeah. Wait, Ayush. So I'll catch you all soon enough. Yeah, I'm a bit confused. I'm coming here for the first time after long. So yeah, I'll catch you all soon enough. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.